level, they died here actually. Iron affected them very bad and they died. And here you can see the fossils. Please come closer. Come closer. Here you can see the fossils.
Squid fossils?
Yep. This area is full of them actually. You can find. And especially in Kazakhstan actually, we also can see them. Why? In Kazakhstan also there is an area like this, but it's very big in this. And of course there are lots of this kind of fossils. And in Kazakhstan sometimes they make a bracelet with them and they sold this in like $1,000. So it means here I have $1,000.
What is the use of this?
Huh?
Is it a showpiece?
Yes, they sell it. Now we don't sell in anything right here, but you know, it means I am holding $1,000, but I don't need. No problem. So if you want, you may find.
Ay ba, ready ka na ako sa Kendikin. Kaso napakaraming tao, hindi ka makapag-video. Ayos ka mag-picture ng ayos. Doon sa dulo. Mas masakit sa paa, nakabuksak ko. Color. Yun nga lang, nakalimutan ko talaga shades ko. May mga Pilipino din, pero nandun sila sa ibang. Inayos ko lang. Maitim na naman ako pag uwi ko na. Ay, pababa na ako.
Come back! 5 minutes left! Do not delay!
Sumisigaw na yung tour guide namin. Buti na lang wala ako sa tuktok. Kasi ang dami ko doon sa tuktok. Pero yung nakakapagod siya. So, dito lang ako sa at saka nakaboots kasi ako.